Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will discuss how to fix your account has been disabled for violating our terms problem. This problem can be caused by few reasons. When we create a new account on Instagram, we need a lots of followers. We use different type of third-party software or we collect followers and different website to increase its follower. Access to our Instagram account goes to third-party companies due to the use of third-party software. Or you text someone stupidly or comment badly on someone post. Now we will show you how to solve this problem very easily. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. First, open any browser. Then type google.com in the address bar. Then search my Instagram account was deactivated. Then click on the first link. Then check mark I understand. Enter your name here. Enter your email address here, the email address with which you opened your Instagram account. Enter Instagram username here. Write details about your problem. You can write my article if you want. Enter your Instagram username here. Provide a screenshot of your problem. Then check mark my content was removed. Then add a signature of your name here. If everything is okay, click send. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.